Hello everyone. If you are choosing between Glo Fiber and Xfinity, this can be confusing because both offer a fast internet but in completely different ways. So in today's video, we are going to be comparing which one is actually better for your home in 2026. So first of all, let's talk about the technology. Glo Fiber uses 100% fiber optic internet, whereas Xfinity mostly uses cable connections. And this particular difference changes everything. When we talk about the speed and the performance, so Glo Fiber is going to give you symmetrical speeds, meaning download and the uploads are equal, which is perfect for gaming, video calls, and uploading the files. Speeds can go up to multi-gig levels, even 5 to 8 Gbps in some areas. On the other hand, Xfinity offers high download speeds but much lower upload speeds because of the cable technology. So in simple words, Glo Fiber is faster and more balanced performance, and Xfinity is good for downloading speed and weaker uploading. So if we talk about reliability, so fiber internet like Glo is generally more stable and consistent even during the peak hours. Cable internet like Xfinity can sometimes slow down when many people are using it at the same time. If we talk about the pricing, so Glo usually offers transparent pricing with no data caps, which is great for the heavy users. Xfinity may look cheaper at first, but often includes data caps, equipment fees, and price increases after the promotions. So if we talk about the availability, so Xfinity is available in most of the areas across the United States, while Glo Fiber is limited to the selected regions only. So if you want best performance, equal upload speeds, and future-proof internet, Glo Fiber is the best choice for you. But if you want wider availability and more accessible options, then undoubtedly Xfinity is a safer choice. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.